Hello. To install Python, we'll learn how to install a Python in your laptop or a desktop. First, go to Google Chrome browser and type google.com, then type download Python. Then you will get this Python website. Then click on download Python. Then click here download Python 3.11.3. It will download into your computer. Now I'm not going to download because I have already downloaded it. I will show how to install it. After downloading, it will come into your folder called this PC and download. Click here. It will yes, this is Python 3.11.3 AMD 64-bit operating system. Then double click on icon. Then you will get this window. Press, select this icon also, add python.exe to path and select custom installation. Then all this will be activated. Then press next. Then select this option, install Python 3.1 for all users. Then it will install into the where this path C:\program files Python 3.11. Then press install.